about to harvest this whole bunch of jelly palm fruit. Last year, when I was still learning about it, I just kind of picked them as they came loose and were falling to the ground, but I ended up losing a lot to slugs that were very attracted to them. But this year I am going to just cut off the whole thing and take them all at once, and I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna store it, and the ones that come loose I'll take right away, but I'm gonna store it in case there's more sugars and stuff that they can draw from the stalk itself. But I don't want to lose any this time. I lost quite a few to critters, but I think they've changed color, so I'm pretty sure they're ready anyway. But if you don't know what the heck this is a jelly palm fruit from the jelly palm tree, also known as a Butia palm or Pindo palm, I believe are the other names. And this is usually an ornamental tree here in western regions, and people just completely ignore the fruit like they do with many palm fruits. But these are actually really delicious. Most people probably not had them. They are, I would equate them kind of to like a tropical cranberry. They're very tart when they are super ripe. They kind of have like a maybe mango-esque taste in some ways as well, but it's a very tropical taste. And most people have never heard about this. I only learned about this because it's growing in my front yard. I did not plant this. This tree was here, and last year it had 2 flower spikes, and I started researching it as these fruit were coming in because I was like, wow, that's intense. That's a lot of fruit. I wonder if those are edible. And it turns out not only are they edible, they are delicious. So last year it had 2 flower spikes, and I got 20 pounds of the stuff or more. This year it's got 1 spike, but this is still quite a lot of fruit. I'll probably end up freezing some of it, and it's not quite as prime when it's frozen, but it's still delicious. So I'm gonna chop this off and enjoy these and share them with people. So this came right off when I sawed it, and this is definitely heavier than I thought it would be. This has got to be 20 pounds on its own, at least, which means I probably got 40 pounds or more last year. I know this is also including the stalk itself, but this is really heavy. But I got quite a lot of fruit here.